Tax season, it is here, and with the changes for the 2020 filings, that leaves opening for tax scammers. Financial expert Jeff Bangerter joins us now with advice on spotting those scams and avoiding the consequences. Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being with us. And so this is a big question. How can we avoid some of these tax scams?
Well, I think the first thing is kind of acknowledging what's going on out there. And I always like to caution people, what we talk about today when we talk about taxes is just general advice, right? You should have your own specific tax professional. But, there's a lot of phishing emails, things out there, social media, text messages. People are trying to get your social security number and your information so that they can file a tax return on your behalf and get your tax money. And so there's all kinds of additional scams out there too, where people are going after friends and family on social media, again, trying to entice people to give them that social security information. One of the things to be aware of, right, is the IRS does not contact people via email, text messages, or social media. If you get any of that kind of contact, it's a scam. They're also not going to ask you to pay via, like some prepaid gift cards or wire transfers or anything like that. The IRS contacts people directly via U.S. mail, and then you have to follow up. You have to contact them and see what the issue is. So any outreach from somebody claiming to be the IRS or telling you that they're going to call the authorities if you don't send money, that's all a scam. So just be aware of that.
That is very terrifying that they are out there trying to get you, and there are ways that you can protect yourself. What should we do if we think that our identity has been taken from us?
Well, I think the first thing is contact the IRS as soon as possible, right? And then stay in contact with them until the issue is completely resolved. You're going to also want to file a identity theft claim with the Federal Trade Commission. I would recommend filing a report with the local police as well. And you'll also want to reach out to the 3 credit bureaus, to their fraud departments. Let them know that you've been a victim of fraud if that occurs.
Jeff Bangerter, thank you so much for joining us. You can reach out to him on his website, jeffbangerter.com. We appreciate it always for all the help trying to navigate through this upcoming tax season. Have a great weekend.
Thanks for having me.